You're so special, something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a hold on that. You're so special, I ain't gonna let you go, no, no.
What's up, it's your girl LA. Thanks for coming to my channel. If this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like, share, comment, hit the bell to get notification on upcoming videos. Look, so I decided to do a mukbang slash ASMR at this restaurant that was referred to me by a colleague that is a celebrity. So I decided to give it a try. I want you guys to stay tuned. Let me know what your thoughts is. And if you like soul food, give it a thumbs up because I love soul food and I am in the A. But anyway, it's one of my faves. All right, stay tuned, guys.
Something that you can't control, yeah. You're so special, I just wanna get a